Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what does every Tesla owner need? Well, I don't know, but I needed one of these. This is the adapter to adapt to the charging port of the Tesla to the charging stations of all these random stations out there that are not Tesla. In this garage here, I have a Tesla charger, but in my other garage, we have a Rivian, so we have a different type of charger on that one. That one has the other type, but I'm gonna show you guys here how this works and stuff right now. So let's see, so I got it open, and sorry to use my mouth, but there we go. So this is it here. I'm gonna just show you guys it. So it'll connect into J1772, I think is what that's called. That adapter will go in there, and then this will fit into my Tesla. So I have my Tesla port here. I would just stick this in to it there, and then I plug my regular charger from my other one into it. Right now in this garage, I don't have that one, so I can't show you that, but I'm gonna just explain how this is here. This is really well made. I actually did open it up earlier, and I was charging in the other garage because this one here, I don't have it hooked up to just a 110 outlet, so it charges super slow. I needed to charge fast. So, but this one here, it's super solid. Look, I mean, there's no melting or anything like that you're gonna get from this one here. It's got good solid plastic on it and metal inside of it, obviously for the conductors, and it is strong and solid and good. So this one here is the one I would recommend to get right here. I'll give you a link to it in the description. So there, this is it here. It is by TOKREAL, and it's a J1772 to Tesla adapter. So I'm gonna say I like this one here, so thumbs up from me on this. Link is in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.